Sawaddee ka. Hello friends, I'm Nam and I am Thai. Today I really want to go to Wat Saket, known as Golden Temple, because I want to make a wish and pray my respect to Lord Buddha. Today I bring something with me. This is the flower garland. In Thai is Phuong Malai. Phuong Malai. This is made from beautiful jasmine. So you can look at the detail of this. This is so amazing. You guys can go and buy Phuong Malai from Pak Khong Talat or flower market. In that place, you can buy any of Phuong Malai there. So let's go to pay respect Lord Buddha with me. Let's go. If you feel a little bit tired, this is a good sign because you almost arrived. You go up there. And the thing that I like most while I'm walking up the Golden Mountain is you can enjoy the beautiful view around you. Finally, we arrived. Let's go inside. In Thai tradition, we normally use lotus, incense, and candles to pay respect to Lord Buddha. After I finish at the first stop, I will continue heading up to the top. Be careful here when you are walking up the stairs. This golden stupa at the top is very special. It contains a relic of Buddha and has been here for over 100 years. You can feel the peace when you are nearby. And I will gently place the flower garland I brought right here. At the top, you can enjoy panorama view of Bangkok. And the tallest building you see over there is Mahanakon Tower. After finish, let's find something to eat. Hungry now, so I cross the road and come to Thai local restaurant. to the
ได้เลย
สวัสดีค่ะไว้มาเจอกันนะคะ บ๊ายบาย So good. Let's go back home. Bye.